Welcome back to the YouTube channel Database World tochno-tuk. Let's install Python because really soon we will start using it. Let's go in Google Chrome, search bar, start to write Python, download Windows. We need for this reason these three words. It's good enough for us. Go in official Python page. Here are a lot of releases. Let's go to the last one. Why not? It's here, as you could see. And now we need to scroll a little down. Here are different ways how we could install, and regarding are we using 32 or 64-bit system, we could get installer for both of them. Because my system is 64 bits, for this reason I will get this installer. I prefer and get installer file because it's easier. It's just 2-3 clicks and we will have it. It's really important when we open the installer file to go and check add Python exe path, because if we want to use it, we want to have it in a path in path directory. For this reason, because we don't want to lose time and after that do manually this job, we want installer file to do that for us. For this reason, it's good enough only to go and check this checkbox. And when we are click and check this checkbox, we start installation. After a few seconds, we will come back when this word it's finished, to show you the final message and to check are we have Python and could we use it. As you could see, installation is done, and now we would close this window because the message is that everything is done successfully. Installation is done, and when we close these windows, let's go to command prompt or just to write cmd. When we write cmd, then we could open the command prompt, and in this nice black window, it's just good enough to write Python -- version. And as we expect we see our version, this one that we installed, the last one. When we write Python, we already opened the Python console, and now we could start to write the Python code, but let's leave that and do it in some better place to say. I hope you enjoyed that video. Keep watching, keep learning. If you like it, just click on the Kanban subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.